which of the one is the largest exporter? Again, when we come largest exporter, largest importer, lot of crops, lot of minerals, you need to memorize this list. So this is a very factual question. So let's straight away go to the answer. I have given a graph, and India has been the largest exporter for the last 5 years. Then we have Vietnam, Thailand. Fortunately, in some areas, China is behind. So we are proud of that. So again, recently again, if I current affairs, you might have been studied. There's a fight over the trademark or patenting of the Basmati brand between India and Pakistan. So all these are related. You have to, go through the current affairs. Okay, now this is an entirely factual question. Some amount of guesswork maybe you can do, but again, in order to discuss this, there's no point eliminating or me telling you that this, because I know the facts. But when I show the bar graphs or the diagrams, it will become clear for you. Again, the data is entirely from the government sites, the ministry. So there should not be any argument. If some site is posting that, if you find other resources on Google and some British university or some American organization is publishing different data, don't go through it. UPSC follows government, the PIB sites and the ministry sites. So we straight away. So again, if we see some analysis I'll be doing. So again, the first option seems pretty obvious, area under rice cultivation. So we have one option, area under cultivation of jowar. Now jowar, like I said, it is just a part of millets. So, and oil seeds are a very important component. Already we are importing large amount of oil from foreign countries we're importing. So obviously oil seeds seems just another guesswork which should not be applied in this type of questions. So when we see oil seeds, we have these figures, whereas coarse cereals, which include jowar, bajra, ragi, millets, it is, now this is near about oil seeds, but this contains the whole portion. This contains the whole portion of the millets, jowar, bajra, and ragi. So jowar is just part. So obviously it has to be less than this. So just estimation. So this cannot be correct. Again, cotton, area under cotton cultivation, and we are comparing it with that of sugarcane. So this option is correct. Then area under sugarcane cultivation has steadily decreased. These type of options are generally tricky, and you have to, for example, we are discussing again sugarcane, so not much difference over the years. So this is again incorrect. We get 1 and 3 as the correct option.